महोदय, मैं प्रस्ताव करता हूं कि श्री ओम बिरला जी, जो इस सभा के सदस्य हैं, को इस सभा के अध्यक्ष के रूप में चुना जाए।
I now put the motion moved by Sri Narendra Modi and seconded by Sri Rajnath Singh to the vote of the House. The question is that Sri Om Birla, a member of this House, be chosen as the Speaker of this House. Those in favor may say aye. Aye. Those against may say no. No. I think the ayes have it. No. The ayes have it. The motion is adopted. Sri Om Birla is declared elected. I invite Sri Om Birla to occupy the chair. चेयर है, आप संभालें प्लीज।
राहुल गांधी जी।
Speaker, sir, I'd like to congratulate you for your successful election. For the second time that you have been elected, I'd like to congratulate you on behalf of the entire opposition, on behalf of the India Alliance. Sir, this House represents the voice of India's people. And you, Speaker, sir, are the final arbiter of that voice. Of course, the government has political power, but the opposition also represents the voice of India's people. And this time, the opposition represents significantly more voice of the Indian people than it did last time. Speaker, sir, the opposition would like to assist you in doing your work. We would like the House to function often and well. Speaker, sir, it is very important that cooperation happens on the basis of trust. It is very important that the voice of the opposition is allowed to be represented in this House. The question is, how much of India's voice is being allowed to be heard in this House? And this election has shown that the people of India expect the opposition to defend the Constitution, the Samvidhan of this country. I'd like to once again congratulate you, Speaker, sir, and also all the members of the House who have won their election. Thank you very much.
आप लोकतांत्रिक न्याय के मुख्य न्यायाधीश की तरह बैठे हैं। हम सबकी आपसे अपेक्षा है कि किसी भी जनप्रतिनिधि की आवाज़ दबाई न जाए और ना ही निष्कासन जैसी कार्रवाई दोबारा सदन की गरिमा को ठेस पहुंचाएं। आपका अंकुश विपक्ष पे तो रहता ही है, लेकिन आपका अंकुश सत्ता पक्ष पे भी रहे। अध्यक्ष महोदय, आपके इशारे पर सदन चले, इसका उल्टा न हो। जहां ये नया सदन है, वही मैं आपकी पीठ के पीछे देख रहा हूं, पत्थर तो सही लगे हैं, सब कुछ अच्छा लगा है, लेकिन कुछ दरार में मुझे कुछ सीमेंट अभी भी लगा दिखाई दे रहा है। अध्यक्ष महोदय, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आप जितना सत्ता पक्ष का सम्मान करेंगे, उतना ही विपक्ष का सम्मान कर करके हमें भी अपनी बात रखने का मौका देंगे। मैं आपको बधाई देता हूं, शुभकामनाएं देता हूं।